In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and ChatGPT. We're going to walk through a simple way to get from a Google search to the official ChatGPT site, remain logged out, and find the help center so you can search for customer service. I'll explain what to look for at each stage and share a few tips to keep things smooth. Let's start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type the word ChatGPT and hit enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official ChatGPT website, which is clearly labeled and typically appears near the top. Avoid ads or lookalike pages that don't match the official domain. If you're on a mobile device, you may need to scroll a bit to find the main result. Click the official result to open ChatGPT. When the page loads, you may be prompted to sign in or create an account. For this walkthrough, you're going to continue without signing in. Look for the option that says Stay Logged Out. Click that. This keeps you on the public-facing experience and is helpful if you just want to browse resources without accessing your account. Once you're on the logged out view, find the Help Center link. Depending on your screen size, it can appear at the top or bottom of the page or inside a menu labeled something like Help or Support. If you don't see it right away, scroll to the footer or tap the menu icon on mobile to reveal more options. Click Help Center to open a new page dedicated to support articles and guides. On the Help Center page, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. So click into the search bar, type customer service, and press enter. This will pull up articles and common questions related to customer support. From here, scan the results for the topic that best matches what you need, such as billing, account access, or troubleshooting. If your first search is too broad, you can refine it by adding a keyword that describes your situation, but keep your queries general at first so you can see the full range of resources available. A few quick tips as you explore. Interfaces can evolve over time, so if a label looks slightly different, the functionality is usually still in the same place. Consider bookmarking the Help Center for quick access later, and when you're searching, use clear, simple phrases. This helps surface the most relevant guidance fast. That's it. You use Google to find ChatGPT, chose to stay logged out, navigated to the Help Center, and searched for customer service. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need a quick refresher.